Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an app with AI. First, clearly define the problem your app will solve and how artificial intelligence provides the unique solution. This initial step is crucial for guiding your entire development process. Next, select the most suitable AI model or service, whether it's a pre-trained API or a custom-built solution. Finally, focus on acquiring and preparing a robust dataset, which is the foundation for any effective AI application. Once your problem is defined and data is ready, the next step involves integrating the AI core into your application. This could mean utilizing powerful cloud-based AI services through their APIs or developing custom machine learning models from scratch. A critical component is establishing a reliable data pipeline to feed new information and continuously refine your AI's accuracy. Remember to build in mechanisms for user feedback, which offers invaluable insights for iterative improvements. With the AI core in place, focus on crafting an exceptional user experience. The interface should be intuitive, making the AI's capabilities feel natural and accessible to every user. Ensure your application is optimized for both performance and scalability, ready to handle a growing user base across various devices. Finally, strategize for secure deployment, considering data privacy and model integrity. Ongoing maintenance and monitoring are essential for long-term success. The journey of an AI-powered app doesn't end at launch. It's a continuous cycle of improvement. Regularly monitor your AI model's performance and analyze user engagement data to identify areas for refinement. Employ a /B testing to rigorously evaluate new features or model updates before a full rollout. Always plan for future enhancements, exploring new AI advancements, and expanding your app's capabilities to stay competitive and deliver increasing value to your users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.